Hello everyone, this is my Mercedes-Benz GL-Class. I had an issue with the Firewall coolant connector. It broke and leaked all the coolant. This is a very common problem on these vehicles. My car is in very good condition and has very low mileage. I called several mechanics and the quotes I received were between 1,500 and 2,400. It's very expensive. And they also wanted $300 for the parts plus tax. I decided not to spend that much money and try to fix it myself. In the end, I spent $27.17 for the part at the Mercedes-Benz dealer next to my house, within walking distance. Now, you can see the crack and the missing piece of the firewall connector. This part is very hard to access. There is very little room to work. First, we remove the top engine cover and then this cover as well. I'm using, let me show you. If I remove this, hold on a second. Now you can see it's visible. You can see the crack. It's very easy to see now. So, what I'm going to do, I'm using very simple tools. Okay, this wrench and the plier and the Allen key is very simple. You can also use a screwdriver. First, remove the rubber seal, this rubber seal. Let me show you. It's very easy. Remove this rubber seal. Then take out the plastic. Remove this screw using your Allen key or a screwdriver. It's very easy. Now remove this plastic. It's just very easy. So then now you have to remove this plastic cover to access the firewall connector. That's very important. There you can get the room to work. Here you have two nuts, one here, another one is here. These two you can remove it. It's very easy. Let me remove this one. Let's see how it works. It's an easy job. Remove this using this. Okay. Now this screw. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. Okay, these two screws, just keep it here. And now remove the cover. Remove it slowly. Okay, wow. Now we have clear access to the broken firewall connector. You can see the broken part. You see the hole. One piece is missing. One piece. Okay. This is a replacement part I bought in Mercedes from the Mercedes-Benz dealer. You can see the original Mercedes logo on it. The price is just $27.17 with tax. If you buy in Amazon, it's $13. But just for peace of mind, I bought it from Mercedes-Benz. So it's not expensive. Okay. See the broken part. Let's remove these two parts. Two we have to remove. The job is very simple. The connector has two hose clamps. Just remove these two hose clamps. The inside the hose clamp is hard to remove, so I need a long nose plier. I use this. I bought it for $6 in Walmart. This is the broken part. I remove it. I'm so sorry I did not take the video because I'm working alone. Nobody there to help me to take video. So this is the broken part, and I successfully changed it. So I replaced the part and save thousands of dollars. Now let's start the car. Let's see so how it works. So I let it run for 10 minutes and to warm up, then turn on the heater to check the leaks. Wow, everything is perfect. No leaks and heater works normally. It's perfect. Okay, no leak. Let me show you. Wow, it's perfect. Make sure when you are installing the connector, just put some lubricant on the firewall connector so those hose slides in easily. You can use silicone lubricants or WD-40. Now we put back everything together. First install this plastic cover with the 2 nuts. Then it's easy, just put it and make sure it fits. So just put the nuts. It's very easy. We save thousands of dollars. Then this plastic, reinstall this plastic piece. It's very easy, and tighten it with the Allen key or use the screwdriver. It's very easy. See, this is screw. Just tighten it. It's very easy one, yeah. Or you can use the screwdriver. So now after that, install the top cover with the top cover, and finally the rubber seal. The top cover, this top cover, just put the top cover. Yes, done. Yep. Okay. All right. Now the rubber seal. This rubber seal is very easy. That's it. Job done. I finished it in 45 minutes, not 4 to 5 hours as the mechanic said. The part I bought in Mercedes for 27 and 17 cents. You can see the invoice. And the plier, I bought it one plier from Walmart for $6. It's a long nose plier. This is the broken part and this tool. And I didn't use this screwdriver. I used the Allen key. So that's it. Everything done. Total cost is $33.17. You can do it at home. No need to spend too much money. So it's perfect now. Everything is working. End up we spent only $33.17. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.